Here is a truth that many find difficult to hear. You do not get paid based on how talented you are. You could be the most talented video editor, coder, or designer on the planet and still struggle to break $20 an hour. If you're stuck at that level, it's not because you lack ability, it's because you are selling the exact wrong product. Every day, millions of freelancers list their software skills like items on a grocery receipt. They mention logo design or video editing, which strips away their unique value and places them on a shelf next to thousands of identical options. When you sell a basic skill, the client only sees you as a business cost, and in the corporate world, expenses exist for one reason: to be minimized. Positioning yourself as a commodity leads to a race to the bottom price war, where the cheapest option always wins. To escape this, most people do the exact opposite of what works. They assume they need to learn more to earn more, so they buy another course or try to master a complex new software. Behavioral psychologists call this dangerous trap action faking. It's the comforting illusion that you have to reach a state of perfection before you can charge real money. Stacking new certifications without changing how you sell that service results in $0 additional in your bank account. Clients don't want to buy your skills. They open their wallets for outcomes. Nobody buys a drill because they want to drill. They buy it because they need a hole in the wall. High-value services satisfy at least one of 3 specific requirements. They must make a business money, save a business time, or save a business money. If you cannot map your work to one of those 3 targets, you will remain irrelevant to high-paying clients. 2 people can deliver the same work, but one can command 10 times more based on the language they use to describe it. Compare the task of building landing pages to the outcome of turning existing traffic into paying customers. You can apply this shift to any service. Instead of selling chatbots, sell the automation of bottlenecks that reduces manual costs. Rather than selling logo design, sell the increased perceived value that allows a business to command higher prices. Shifting your vocabulary from what the service is to what the service does redefines you as a strategic investment. To move away from commodity work, you need to climb the value ladder. The first 3 steps are your baseline: skills, a packaged service, and a reliable delivery system. Steps 4 through 6 multiply your pay. You provide a business solution, pivot to transformation by removing client risk, and achieve premium pricing. Why would a business pay you $10,000 for something a cheaper freelancer will do for $500? It is a question of risk versus ROI. A $500 freelancer requires the business owner to manage them and fix their mistakes. They are a management burden. A $10,000 expert manages themselves. Premium pricing removes risk. Save a company $50,000 in lost time, and you become a literal printing press for their business. To execute this today, audit your social media profiles and remove all lists of software proficiencies. Rewrite your bio to identify the specific bottleneck holding your target client back. Position your service as the mechanism that removes it. Your professional profile should read like a B2B business proposal, not a resume for an employee. 3 specific execution mistakes can undermine this strategy. The first is charging hourly. Hourly billing punishes you for becoming faster and more efficient. The second is using generic portfolios. Stop sending links to everything you've ever made. Send targeted case studies that highlight specific business results. The third is waiting for perfection. Rejection provides data. If you wait until you feel ready, you will stay broke. High earners on the internet do not sell their time. They generate wealth by selling the strategy of their brain rather than the manual labor of their hands. Sell the transformation. If you are ready to claim this new identity, comment your outcome positioning statement below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.